The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally here. After months of whispers and delays, DJI is ready to deliver its most advanced handheld gimbal camera yet, designed for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who demand power, versatility, and reliability. DJI delayed the launch to January 2026 not because the camera hardware wasn't ready, but to perfect the accessories and ecosystem: grips, mounts, microphones, and wireless add-ons. This means a fully polished, ready-to-use system for real-world content creation. The Osmo Pocket 4 introduces a dual-camera system stacked vertically on the gimbal. The primary camera features a 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor for stunning low-light and cinematic shots, while the secondary square sensor captures vertical footage at full resolution, perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Say goodbye to cropped vertical videos. It supports 6K video at 30 fps, 4K at 120 fps, and rumors hint at experimental 4K at 240 fps. Hasselblad Color Science brings natural, cinematic colors to a pocket-sized device. With a larger battery, longer recording times, and AI-powered ActiveTrack 7.0, this gimbal feels almost like an autonomous camera operator in your hand. The 2.5-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, while Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast wireless transfers and stable streaming. The redesigned gimbal balances dual cameras while keeping the device pocketable, making it ideal for on-the-go creators. DJI will offer both a standard model for everyday users and a Pro version with the full dual camera system. The Pro model weighs about 190 grams but delivers unmatched versatility for cinematic content creation, putting it in a class of its own. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a category-defining, future-proof pocket gimbal camera. Its brief delay only ensures that when it launches, it's ready to impress creators worldwide.